I ask myself the same question. What's the difference between a language and a dialect? Well, one thing's for sure, a dialect is not inferior to a language. They are of equal footing. They're just different ways of labeling things. Now, I know there's a lot of confusing information online, so I'm just going to share how I chose to unravel things and come up with my take on the difference of the two. Now, first, we need to know this word, mutual intelligibility. In simple English, it means to understand each other. Now, some linguists have an issue with this one. I'm not going to delve into that. I'm just going to lay down the foundation and the basics, and then you can go from there. Next, it is not fixed, labeling something as strictly a language or a dialect, because it depends who are you comparing. For example, if you're comparing Filipino with Mandarin Chinese, they're not mutually intelligible, so they're languages. If you're comparing Mandarin Chinese and Cantonese Chinese, although spoken in the same country, they're not mutually intelligible, languages. If you're comparing Fujian Chinese and Mandarin Chinese, not mutually intelligible, languages. If you're comparing Tagalog and Cebuano, not mutually intelligible, languages. Now, if we're comparing the Tagalog spoken in Manila and the Tagalog spoken in Batangas, well, they're different, but they are mutually intelligible dialects. If you're comparing Philippine Hokkien with Taiwanese, also known as Taiwan Hokkien, mutually intelligible dialects. I asked a friend from Spain, so when you speak Spanish, do people in Mexico understand you? Isn't it that there's a bit of difference in the Spanish spoken in both? And she said, yeah, we understand each other, so mutually intelligible dialects.